Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing two unboxings for CurlBox. One is the regular subscription of CurlBox and the other one is the CurlBox Natural box. So if you are interested to see all the products that I received and what the difference is between the regular CurlBox subscription and the CurlBox Natural, then just please continue to watch. Okay, so the CurlBox Natural is what I'm going to unbox first, and basically the difference between the CurlBox Natural and the regular CurlBox subscription is that the CurlBox Natural includes products that are all natural. And this particular box is the grand finale box because this is the last CurlBox Natural that they'll be offering. According to the email, it basically says that when the CurlBox Natural launched 6 years ago, the idea was to feature under-the-radar brands without a large reach that featured all natural ingredients. They also say that their mission has been accomplished and healthy quality products are no longer an exception, but the norm. So they say that thanks to social media and word of mouth, previously small brands are creating demand to land on your favorite store shelves. So for the final CurlBox Natural, they're going to feature a line that perfectly represents this shift. And so this particular product line is called Obia Naturals. They give a little background of the company, and it says that founder Obia, hope I'm saying that correctly. She has a background in chemistry and biology, and she handcrafted effective products with non-harmful ingredients. Even sweeter, the line is vegan and contains no toxins, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, silicones, or drying alcohol. And what CurlBox likes to do is they like to build the suspense because they don't tell you what is in the box, but they do give you little hints. And for example, for this last CurlBox Natural, they said this will be the heaviest box ever. So they get you hyped up and you're like, oh, like what is it? So it makes you want to buy it. So I bought it. I'm like, why not? It's the last CurlBox Natural. Who knows what's gonna be in it? So the box was actually $30, which is not bad at all. And so let me just go ahead and show you what products I received in the CurlBox Natural. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in, and as you can see, it says CurlBox Natural. And this is how the packaging looks. And if you open up the paper here, you can see how the products are packaged in here. Okay, so also in the CurlBox, they give you these little flyers. This is what that looks like. And then on the inside, it just gives you a breakdown of the products here. And I will say that I was in Walmart one day and I noticed these products and I looked them over. I was like, I've never heard of them before. And what drew my attention to these products was they had a shampoo bar, and that's something that you really don't see a lot. So let me just go ahead and show you what the shampoo bar looks like. The packaging on it. And it says that it's a coconut shea shampoo bar. It's vegan, moisturizing, and it's natural. It says that the directions for use is to wet hair thoroughly, use shampoo bar whole or cut into small pieces. It says apply directly to hair and create lather with your fingers. Rinse with cool water to seal the hair shaft and to add shine. The next product I'm going to show you is the Babasu Therapy Hair Mask. It also says that it's vegan, it's pH balanced, and it's all natural. And this is what that packaging looks like. Okay, and on the back it says that you are apply generous amount to hair and distribute evenly from root to end. Cover your hair with a plastic cap for 30 minutes, and for intense deep conditioning, add heat. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. It has a light scent, like a light fresh scent. It's nothing overbearing. This is what it looks like. And it almost looks like whipped cream to me. The next product in the box is the Babasu Deep Conditioner. It's also vegan, pH balanced, and natural. And the directions for this is you are to apply generous amount to hair and use a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly from root to end. Cover the hair with a plastic cap for 30 minutes, and for intense deep conditioning, add heat or use a hair steamer. Rinse with cool water to seal the hair shaft and add shine, safe for use on color treated hair. So we have a Babasu Deep Conditioner and we have a Babasu Therapy Hair Mask. Now to me, I thought a hair mask and a deep conditioner was the same thing, but I'm assuming not. Okay, so I'm reading the card, and the difference between the Therapy Hair Mask and the Deep Conditioner is that the Therapy Hair Mask claims to bring strength to fragile strands to repair and reconstruct without protein, and it helps you to avoid the stiffening effects you might see from a protein overload for softness plus strength. Okay, so the Deep Conditioner, the Babasu oil is joined with avocado oil, rosemary essential oil, and panthenol to add elasticity, moisture, and shine for a deluxe experience. So those are the two differences between the hair therapy mask and the deep conditioner. Okay, so the next product I'm going to show you is the Twist Whip Butter. This is the packaging for that. And this also has just a light scent. It's nothing overwhelming. This is the consistency of it. Looks pretty smooth and shiny. And it says that our one-of-a-kind water-based pH-balanced hair butter is a triple treat of unrefined shea butter, and that's the smell that I'm smelling in it, but it's not strong at all. And it has Takuma butter and mango butter. I've never heard of Takuma butter, but it's spelled T-U-C-U-M-A. And it says that the Twist Whip Butter is formulated to intensely moisturize, seal, and shine and protect your hair. It's packed with the essential oils of lemongrass and lavender to keep your strengthened strands soft, and it's ideal for dry, parched hair. So the next product I'm going to show you is the Sweet Almond Heavy Cream. Comes in the same color packaging as the Twist Butter. And it says that this thick, hydrating, pH balanced formulation will leave super dry, coarse hair soft and moisturized. Sweet almond oil is rich in nourishing vitamins to promote healthy hair. And the aloe vera and essential oils form a protective barrier for the hair and scalp. And so the last product that they include is a curl hydration spray. This is what that looks like, and it has a spray bottle type here. And basically this curl hydration spray moisturizes, hydrates, and refreshes your hair and scalp with natural ingredients like argan oil and rose oil. And the pH balance formula conditions, adds shine, and detangles hair without leaving buildup or residue. And they say that it can be used daily. So that concludes all of the products that were in the Curl Box Natural. They also included this little information card here. And as you can see right here that it's the official show pick trendsetter at Cosmoprof North America, Las Vegas in 2017. And it is one of Naturally Curly's Best of the Best 2016 winner. And so it must be a pretty good product. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the regular Curl Box subscription box for the month of February. And this is how that box looks. Okay, so February's box is called the Woke issue. And this is the what the little pamphlet looks like. And I think it's pretty fitting because of the Black Panther movie that just came out. And of course, it's Black History Month. So this is what it looks like inside. So in February's Curl Box, the products that are featured are the new CurlyChic Mixed Texture Hair Care Curly, Kinky, Coily, Wavy, and Frizzy. It says your curls conditioned. It's a and the first product is the creamy leave-in conditioner. This is what the packaging looks like. And honestly, I have seen these products on the shelves in the store, and I thought that it was like a kid's line, because if you look at it, it does look like it should be for children, but apparently it's not. Okay, and now this smells really good, and it kind of smells like I cannot, but it smells also almost like a pineapple-y, like tropical scent. It smells really good, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, so do not tip this product over because it is runny, and as you probably have seen, it just spilled on my floor. Oh my god. So like I said, it smells really good. Okay, and on the back it says that it has maximum moisture and manageability without the sticky, tacky, greasy feel. It says that these products are sulfate free, paraben free. It has no petroleum or mineral oil. And the second product I'm going to show you is the curling cream, and it has a firm hold. And as you can see, it has the same packaging. So on the leave-in, it has the little color coding here, and it has the yellow, pink, and the orange, and it says your curls conditioned. And on the curling cream, which it says for firm hold, it says your curls defined. And it has a different color pattern here. It has purple, turquoise, and the orange here. So I guess that's their way of distinguishing the products. And also they have another styling product, and it's the Your Curls Defined, and it says it's a light hold styling gel. And this is what the packaging looks like on this. It has the light purple, the pink, and the yellow. And as you can see, this product is clear. And see, when I opened up the top, this is what it looks like. It's kind of stringy and sticky. And this is what it looks like in here. So it's really clear and like jiggly. So I'm assuming this is something like a styling gel, like a styling jelly, since it has a light hold to it. And also they included in this particular box is called Your Mane Moisturizer. And as you can see, it's spelled M-A-N-E. And this is a curl cream vitalizer, and it moisturizes and conditions your curls daily with this creamy lightweight curl lotion. It says your curls will be noticeably softer, shinier, and healthier with each ultra hydrating and moisturizing use. And the last thing that they included in this box was a detangling brush, and this is the packaging that it came in. And I guess this is their Denman brush. but it has curl box on the end there. So that was all of the products that were in February's curl box. I know that I do want to try all of these products. I think the first thing that I'm going to try is the Obia Naturals products, only because I'm like really interested in the shampoo bar. Not sure exactly when I'm going to do that particular review, but I will. So please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you hit the little notifications bell so that you'll know whenever I do upload a video. And let me know down in the comment section if you guys have tried these products before and what your thoughts are on them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.